Today we will look at understanding costs, which is the hidden business driver. This is a beginner-friendly guide. Imagine running a business where sales are going up, but your profits are disappearing. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that is exactly what happens when you don't understand costs, the silent force controlling your business success. Let me tell you a story. Meet Ama, the small business owner. Ama owns a small food business in Accra. Every day, she sells delicious meals and gets lots of customers. At the end of the month, she checks her account and she's shocked. Where is all my money going? She's making sales but not making profit. What went wrong? She didn't understand her costs. So, what is cost? In business, cost is the money you spend to run your business and produce goods or services. It includes buying raw materials, paying workers, rent and electricity, transportation. In simple terms, cost is everything you spend to keep your business running. Now, let's look at why cost is the hidden business driver. Why does cost matter? Most beginners focus only on sales revenue, but smart business owners focus on costs. Why? Because profit depends on costs. Basic formula: profit equals sales minus costs. If your costs are too high, even high sales won't save your business. Let's look at the type of costs. We have fixed costs, variable costs, hidden costs. So let's look at each of them one by one with examples. The fixed costs. Fixed costs stays the same. These costs don't change no matter how much you sell. Examples: rent, salaries, internet. Example: Ama pays rent every month. Whether she sells 10 plates or 100 plates, it's still the same. She's still paying the same rent regardless of the sales she made. Variable costs. Variable cost changes with sales. These costs increase when production increases. Example includes the ingredients bought, the packaging, the fuel. The more food Ama cooks, the more ingredients she buys. So this is variable depending on the changes with it changes with sales. So if sales increases, it is expected that the ingredients, the packaging she used to prepare the food will also increase. Let's look at the hidden cost. The hidden cost is the silent killer. These are the most dangerous. Example include the wastage, poor planning, unnecessary spending, time lost. These are why many businesses fail without knowing why. Let's look at the real life turning point for Amma. Amma decided to track her costs. Now that she knows the different type of costs, she decided to track her costs. She discovered she was wasting ingredients daily. She overpaid for supplies. She had unnecessary expenses. After fixing this, her profits increased without increasing sales. That is the power of understanding costs. Why you must understand costs? If you don't understand costs, you can't price correctly. You cannot control spending. You cannot grow your business. But when you do, that is when you understand costs, you will be able to increase profits. You will be able to make smart decisions. You will even be able to grow faster. So now let's look at the simple steps to control your costs. So you try to track every expenses, even small ones. You separate fixed and variable costs. Try to cut unnecessary spending. Buy smarter, not cheaper. Review costs weekly. So in conclusion, we summarize to say cost is not just an accounting term. It is the hidden driver of your business success. If you master your costs, then you master your profits. So, subscribe for more accounting lessons. Subscribe to Accounting Made Simple by Etelish. Learn accounting the simple way. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end. See you in the next video. Bye for now.